Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're talking about essential oils for hair. Okay, this is a hot topic. I feel like the Mermaid hairspray is all over Pinterest. You can DIY just like a hair spritz to spray on before bed or after your shower or whenever. And there are some different essential oils that are good for different reasons for hair and scalp. And so I want to just cover 5 essential oils and my favorite way to easily incorporate them into your routine. Lavender oil is first. This is the queen of essential oils. So many benefits, especially in the beauty department, but it is antimicrobial, okay, that word, but super soothing. It's gonna help soothe itchy, dry scalp, which I have right now, and I have a spray that I use with lavender, cedarwood, and rosemary, and I'll talk about the other 2 oils in a second. But basically, for all of these, you can use a combination of these oils or just a single one if you just have one issue, but in a 4-ounce spray bottle, fill with distilled water and then add the drops of oil that you want. And in that size bottle I would do like 10 drops of essential oil. Start there and see how it goes for you. It's kind of like a trial and error too. If you feel like you need less or more, that's fine. Rosemary essential oils next. I think I did an entire video on rosemary or just on it and hair growth, but this oil, there's a lot of studies done with rosemary and promoting hair growth, and I think that is a hot topic right now. So I have rosemary is another popular oil that's used in hair care products. Another way that you can use these oils is if you have an unscented or very lightly fragranced, which I hate fragrance in hair products, in all products, but an unscented or lightly scented product, just add a couple of drops directly to your bottle of shampoo, conditioner, or leave-in spray. Just another way to get the benefits, but it's known to stimulate hair growth, and I'll put some studies in this blog post too. Rosemary is anti-inflammatory, so also helping with the irritation like dryness and dandruff, things like that. It also just smells like a spa, fresh, and I love rosemary and eucalyptus in the shower, like as little steamers. But so when it's in like a hair care product, I just love the smell of it in the shower. It's like spa vibes, but it does have a lot of good benefits for your hair too. Okay, peppermint is next. Super fresh, invigorating. So it's used in a lot in hair products for scalp concerns too, to kind of soothe, again, irritated and itchy scalp. It has also antifungal properties. So also helping with that, and stimulating blood flow is something that peppermint is also known for, and it just is super fresh, right? I also love adding peppermint to foot care products. Cedarwood oil is next. This is natural antiseptic. It can help with bacterial and fungal things. It also may improve circulation, so also good for your scalp. This one, cedarwood, I love adding to hair oil. So if you have like a jojoba hair oil, you can just add a couple of drops to it, and that will help with shine and promote healthy hair that way too. Plus it just smells really good. You can even add like a lavender cedarwood to your hair oil. And then the last essential oil is tea tree, and this one is a super powerful antiseptic oil, antibacterial, antifungal, all of the antis. This is really good for cleaning. It's good for foot care products as well, but for here it's to treat scalp conditions like dandruff and psoriasis. And this will all be in the blog post linked down below. It's also known to help stimulate hair growth and improve the overall health and appearance of your hair. The only con, to me at least, is that tea tree oil does not really smell great, so I don't love adding this one, especially because there are so many other oils that kind of do similar and have similar properties, but it is also one that a lot of people use in hair care products. Okay, so I kind of said before, but to use these most effectively, in my opinion, is to just make a spray. So in a small 4-ounce bottle, just add 10-15 drops maybe of essential oils, depending on which ones you need for your particular concerns. And then I like to spray it on after my shower. I spray on from root to ends, especially in the winter when I have this dry scalp. Another thing that you can mix them in with is witch hazel. That's really good for scalp too, and when you have like that itchy, dry winter scalp. So you can do half witch hazel, half water. Something to note that, and something that I just learned, is that essential oils don't mix with witch hazel. I don't know where that came from, but that's just like always been even when I was with Young Living, is to add a splash of witch hazel to whatever you're making in like a spray bottle. And I thought that meant because it would mix them together, but it doesn't mix. But the witch hazel's purpose would be to help with your irritation of your scalp. But anyways, that is it for the oils for hair care. Let me know which essential oils you use for your hair, if you have any testimonials with using essential oils, and if you have any questions on anything I talked about. All the brands that I use in Lab will be linked down below. Let me know which oil video you want me to film next. Thank you guys for watching today. Have a great day. Bye.